Alright guys, so we are all parked on the side now. My car is start and we're gonna practice driving in natural city conditions and what are the things we need to be careful of. So we have recently finished a few videos on how to start rolling, how to slow down or come to a stop like in a traffic light situation. So we have practiced enough. If you have practiced enough, this is the right time to go to the normal city driving practice for yourself. So I have already done lesson 5 on the same scenarios, so this is our lesson 6 apparently. So we're gonna practice a bit more on the same stuff and somehow what do we need to look around when we are driving, so how do we control our driving situations. So lesson 5, 6, 7 and 8, 4 lessons, I would say we're gonna practice a bit more on those stuff first and then we're gonna move to next scenarios. We also think about I'm gonna tell you briefly about how to handle the roundabout, how to handle about the lights and stuff, which lane to choose from. This is basically all about that. So we're gonna press the clutch and we put in the first gear, so that's what we need to do. But before putting all this thing, we need to give the indicator, look around, all check all of your blind spots if there is someone coming or not. Then let's wait for the other car to come as well. And now since the time we wanted to start, there was another car who came back. Now we're gonna look at our blind spots one more time and then we're gonna go. So these are few things that need to be careful of. Whenever we start driving, we need to look around all the way and check your blind spots definitely, because that can count as your mistake when you're giving a driving test. And I'm gonna not change my gear, I'm just gonna drive slowly and I'll give this lady to cross as well. I'm slowly press the clutch and then press the brake down again. I'm gonna wait if there are any cars coming. I can't, there are no cars, so I can actually go now. Check left, right and left all the way again. We're gonna give a right indicator because we are moving right from here. And then press the brake, put the clutch on, and we can now, our car is in neutral, we can remove our feet from the clutch as well. We don't try to keep on pressing the clutch very often because it is called coasting, and it is you might lose your clutch quicker than you would have damage your clutch quicker if you would have done on a regular basis if you practice a bit more. So that's about it. I'm just looking around waiting for these cars to follow. So what the learner's driver do is basically they are a bit hesitant or they get scared of looking around the traffic. They might do a mistake or yes or no. So it's all about patience and it's all about practice. So nothing to worry if you are in your lane and if you are doing the right thing, not to worry at all. So it's not my green light yet, it's only for the left side people. So who wants to turn to the left, they are going. Now it is green, I'm going to press the clutch and put the first gear on. See, my clutch is still not fully released, I'm still all the way. Now it is all completely released, so I still had some control over my clutch. So if your car gets stopped, which is a very common mistake when we are driving a manual, so do not get shocked or do not get annoyed about it. It's very, very common. Just have patience and practice one more time. That's all you need to do. So I am in this lane here. I'm gonna wait for the red light to turn. Whenever I see yellow, or I always look around in the red light. So for example, that pedestrian green is there, so I would definitely know that my light are not going to turn green unless that is red. Obviously, when the cars are coming, my light will not be on until then. So when the cars from the right side, which is coming from all the way there, you look, that one I just came, so when they stop, of course then I would probably have my light green. So I would keep on looking there when the cars are going to stop from there. I will show you if I can. See, when they stop now it might be my chance to go to the green, so I'm gonna, oh no, okay, so of course the other one started from there, from that part, so and that turned red, so obviously maybe it's possibility. Oh yeah, it is, so I'm gonna go. So these are few things that you might need to be careful of, or not careful of, aware of, I will say, and just keep looking around when you are driving. So I'm waiting, I'm maintaining a safe distance. How would I say it's a safe distance? Is basically till the time I can see the number plates of the car, I am fine. I am maintaining a safe distance when in a stop kind of position on the red light. So I'm gonna take a left from here. I'm gonna look left and give the indicator there is no one. I changed my lane slowly because I'm gonna turn left from here. I'm in the second gear. The car is telling me to change to the third one, but I know I need to slow down a bit, so I'm not. So I'm on a 50 miles per hour road, and I'm on the 45, 48 kindish, fifth gear, so it's fine. I'm gonna keep on driving like this until I see any change, so it's fine. I'm in the fifth gear, the car is fine, it doesn't ask me to move to the sixth gear or something, so I'm not going to change it to sixth gear. And about the steering or the lane, when we see on my left hand side, I can see properly my steering wheel left hand side is here and my center of my car is here. Till the time they are fine, I am in the right, I'm in the right in between the lanes. So I see that the light is green, but the cars are slowing down, so I'm gonna I'm not gonna do anything. I just release my foot from the accelerator and I'm just gonna keep it onto the brake, so I will slow down. I have to go straight, so I'm going to change my gear to the third one. As I can see, there is a car, so there is another one, so I have to slow down, put the car in the first gear, and yeah, it's fine to go. So I can easily change my gear to the second one and give the accelerator a bit, and yeah, now the speed limit is again 50. I have to change the gear to the third. And fourth, slowly, sorry, the camera fell off, so I need to do that again. And then I'm change my gear to the fifth. On 50 miles per hour, I'm fine in the fifth one. The car was asking for the fifth. Let me slow down a little bit here again. We're gonna take a left-hand turn, so we want to try to keep in the left-hand lane here. And it is turned yellow, so we're gonna slow down on the red, put the car into the neutral, release the foot from the clutch, and we have slowed completely down. So when I'm on the red light, I know it's yellow now. I'm going to press the clutch, release the clutch very slowly, and there is no car going to come from that side. I'm going to just slowly take a turn. I'm on an average speed check zone. Whenever I enter a new road, I need to look for the signs for the speed limit. So it's a 30 road. I'm gonna keep in this lane, so there is no one from the roundabout that is actually gonna bother me, so that's fine. I'm gonna keep on the same speed over here, driving slow, 16. I'm gonna speed up a little bit because it's green, change my gear to the third. Yeah, I'm gaining speed a little bit, and that's it. So we don't need to do much of manipulation as well when I'm doing like maintaining my car into the lane. This car wants to turn in, so I gave him some space so he can actually move into the correct lane. The traffic is slow. When it's slow, we don't need to go to the same speed that is on the speed limit, so we can actually, the car was coming out and he didn't even had any indicators on, so okay, so we slow down here. You need to keep looking and observing around, that's the thing. Who is doing what, basically. I put the crest, I saw a car stopped through the glass of this car. So I know there is a car stopped in the middle of the road, so I have to be very careful of that. But it's in the bus lane, so it's fine. My lane is empty, I am fine here. We're gonna go slowly, change the gear to the third one, and that's about it. So the speed limit is 30 again, and there is no traffic in front of me, so I can actually gain a bit of speed here and go to 30, being observant around for sure. If it allows me to, then obviously it's fine. And now I will keep on looking on the eye for the pedestrians on the red light. The light is green, the car was turning, so I'm not even pressing the accelerator. I'm fine with my speed. I'm between 25-30, so it's fine. If I have to slow down, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press the brake and then decide, because I'm in the fourth gear, I might need to change it to third, I might need to change it to second. So that's what I need to do. Now there's a red light, definitely I have to come to a stop, so I'm going to press the brake, and you can release the remove the gears from it. Now it's green, so obviously when these cars are rolling, I can just straight away put the car into the second and just keep on going straight slowly. So even before coming to the stop, the gear I needed to change was second. I had enough speed to maintain that, so it was fine. I wasn't needed to worry too much about it. I'm on a height, so my car had enough pace. Now I have to brake because the front cars are braking. It's a bit busy situation over here, so I'm gonna slow down. My car is on third. I put my car on the third gear now, so I can go slowly. Gave a van enough distance, and I have to be here because of the parked cars. Need to maintain some safe distance, so I can go slow. We're gonna park on the left whenever I will feel that I have enough space to do so. I'm gonna just do it a bit slowly, and I didn't find any space here. That's fine. Till the time I'm not finding a space, I'm cool. So here it is. So I'm gonna give left indicator, put my car on the first gear so I can actually go to a bit left, and then just park on the left hand side. And now it's fine, I am parked. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching today's video. Hope you liked it, and if you have liked it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any questions you have, whatever you want to ask. Give it a subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, so whenever I upload the next video, you get the notification and you can actually watch the video as soon as I upload. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I'll link my Instagram here as well. Do give it a shot and ask me questions if you want to. Any questions I will try to reply as whenever I get time. And yeah, so we're gonna make videos as soon as possible I can, and we're gonna complete the series, and hopefully by the end of the series you will learn a lot of things and improve your driving. And yeah, drive safe. Thank you very much for watching again. Drive safe. Yes.